Coach, first off, congratulations on the win, going back to your first conference championship since 2014. You guys came out of the gates shooting over 70% in the first quarter. What allowed you to get off to that hot start?
I think our players were extremely motivated. They've been on a mission. They want to do very well, and I think they were just really ready to play and get after it and start the game off really well. And they've done that the last few games, and it's becoming habit, and they're kind of seeing what it takes to get going.
Yeah, and you shot over 60% in the first half, and Michaela had a career 29 points for you guys. What do you think allowed her to get going offensively and getting to the line?
She's just playing better and better each game, and as a team we're playing better and better each game. And I think the biggest thing for us is that we are playing very unselfish basketball, and our players realize that they all need each other, and they're working together. And once we start clicking together, they're pretty tough. It's Michaela may be the leading scorer one day, and then somebody else is the leading scorer the next day, and Sierra may come up and be the leading scorer. So it rotates, and it's not planned. They play hard, and they play as a team, and they play together, and they get it accomplished.